Hey everybody, it's Jeff with ID10T Garage, and I'm going to talk to you about the 71 through 74 B-body dash cluster. Specifically, I made it for my 71 Satellite. I've got a model ready to go in my car. It is printed with PETGF. That's good up to 125 degrees Celsius before you start seeing deformation or heat issues. So that's going to be extremely good in pretty much anywhere for a car. I didn't do it in PETG, and it looks pretty damn good too. These are done with fuzzy skin, so they're not perfect. The fuzzy skin kind of hides the imperfections, and they both look really good. I kind of like the glossier one a little bit more, just simply because it just pops. But this is only good up to 72 degrees Celsius. So if you're in the South, it would probably be fine here in Tennessee. I haven't had any problems with my other ones I did in PETG carbon fiber, so that would probably be sufficient. But in other states, you need that high temp resistance and so on. So that's why I'm working with this PETGF now, and it printed great. I can't wait to put this thing in my car. It's going to look so much better than the Altimeter one. But the reason I'm talking to you about this, and I'm going to go show you the other ones I got printing, because I have added a texture to them. And the reason I've added a texture to them is so you don't have to print with fuzzy skin. It'll be easier to clean. So I've got one printing right now, and as you can see the texture on it. It's a little hard. I've got another one I partially printed where the filament wasn't really doing what it was supposed to. And this is with a low res, essentially. This was 0.42, and you can still see it, but this bottom half of it, you can see that layer change. Wasn't really doing what it was supposed to. These are the same filament, just two different rolls, and one was printing properly and one wasn't. So I don't know exactly what happened there, but this is a 0.42 res, and it's, you don't see it as easy, and you can see the layer lines a little bit. So I'm trying to hide layer lines by adding texture. And as you can see, I'm printing with 0.2 here, and you really can't see the layer lines. Now it needs some cleanup, especially down here on the bottom. And that's another thing that I was having issues with the prints without the texture, is you were getting a little bit of a weird pattern on the bottom, and I just wanted to get that fixed. But either way, what I've done is I've made these available for sale on printables.com. So it's printables.com, JRanger615, something dot, whatever. I'll put a link in this video, and it's just $20. You pay $20 for the STL, and you can print them yourself. That way, I get a little bit of money for my work, and now something cool is available for the whole car community. And I've got it in two different textures. I got it in this texture, which is a leather-like texture, and I've got a wood texture. And I got two different versions. This is the one for a standard heater, and I got one for the vintage era conversion heaters, which is a little oval-shaped heater control to go to the vintage air systems. So just wanted to come out here and let you guys know about it. I'm working on projects left and right. I've got a little swamp cooler that I put available on Thingiverse and Printables. That's free, and it's a cool little thing. Got a couple different versions of it. So all in all, I love that new design. It's based off of the regular Rally Dash. I know some people are wanting some different variations. Someone wants a radio mount with just the 2 gauges instead of 4. Kind of hard to do, but I might work on that. But hey, just wanted to get you guys to see what I've been working on and everything like that. So later.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the